In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6442, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that a person's true wealth is what they send ahead to the hereafter, whereas what they leave behind is in reality the wealth of their inheritors. It is important for Muslims to send as many blessings, such as their wealth, as they can to the hereafter by using them in ways which are pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This includes spending on one's needs and the needs of their dependents without being wasteful, excessive or extravagant. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 4006. But if a Muslim does not use their blessings correctly, they will become a source of stress and punishment for them in both worlds, as they have forgotten Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.
And if they hoard them and leave them behind for their inheritors, then they will be held accountable for obtaining them, even though others will enjoy them after they depart. This has been indicated in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2379. In addition, if their inheritors use the blessings correctly, then they will obtain reward from Allah, the Exalted, while the one who collected it will be left empty-handed on Judgment Day. Or if their inheritor misuses the blessings, then it will become a great regret for both the one who earned the blessing and their inheritor, especially if they did not teach their inheritor, such as their child, how to correctly use the blessings, as this was a duty on them. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 2928. A Muslim must remember that one's family, and all the worldly blessings they hoarded, will abandon them at their grave, and only their deeds will remain with them. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6514. Therefore, they must convert their worldly blessings into good deeds by using them in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, so that they take them with them to their lonely grave. Muslims should therefore fulfill their responsibilities towards Allah, the Exalted, and people, and ensure they take the rest of their blessings with them to the hereafter by using them correctly as prescribed by Islam. Otherwise, they will lead a stressful life in this world, even if they possess the entire world, as Allah, the Exalted, the controller of hearts, only grants peace of mind to those who use their worldly blessings in ways pleasing to Him, and they will be left empty-handed and full of regrets on Judgment Day. Chapter 18 Al-Kahf, verses 103 to 104.
Say, shall we believers inform you of the greatest losers as to their deeds? They are those whose effort is lost in worldly life, while they think that they are doing well in work,